Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to another video. Today is Friday, and so for me that means a lot, and today is Support Friday for me. So there is two channels that I want to recognize because these two people have really helped me out on my channel a whole lot. Anytime I need anything to ask them, I can call or text them and they are willing to help me. The first channel is called The Johnson's Life, and on her channel you will find cleaning. She cooks. She do a whole lot on her channel. I love the way she clean. She has nice content that she put out. Like I said, I love the way she clean. She is a mom, she is a wife, and she has 2 kids. And y'all, I love her. She is so sweet. So I'm going to leave her link in the description box below, her channel link, so that way if you have a problem finding her channel, all you have to do is just click the link below and it will take you straight to her channel. So please go and support The Johnson's Life. Again, when I call on her, when I text her, she is always there. If I need anything, if I have anything to ask about YouTube, she is always there to answer those questions for me, and I am so grateful for her, and I love her, and I love watching her clean on her clean channel, and I know you all will love her as well. So again, I will leave her link in the description box below, so all you have to do is just click on it and it'll take you straight to her channel, and the channel name is The Johnson's Life. And the second channel is called Jay's Journey. She is a good friend of mine. We have been friends for so long. We grew up together, you know, through our childhood and everything. Also, she has 4 beautiful kids, and she is an entrepreneur. She has her own restaurant, and she is doing so good in her restaurant. I'm so super proud of her. She is another one that I love so dearly. Anytime I have any questions about YouTube, anything on that nature, she is willing to help me out to as much as she can of what she know on it. Also, again, she does cleaning on her channel, and she is an apostle of her own church, and the name of her church is called Healing the Hurt Ministry. She is a wonderful, powerful woman of God, and I'm gonna also leave her link in the description box as well. If you have a problem finding her channel, you can go to her channel, click that link, and it'll take you straight to her channel. And I am so sure that you will love her channel, and she has been really putting that word out there. The last 2 videos I watched of hers, she has been putting those videos out there of what God have, you know, sent to her to give to you all in a message, and I'm sure you will love it. Again, her channel name is Jay's Journey, and I'm gonna leave her link in the description box. And I hope you guys go out and please support those 2 channels. The first channel is The Johnson's Life, and the second channel is Jay's Journey. I'm sure you will love both of those channels, and just keep watching because I might do some more Support Friday, because it's some more people out there that really help me out, and I don't really keep in contact with them no more than on YouTube, but they really help me out just from showing me different things on their channel that they do. So you guys, please check out those 2 channels for me and let them know that I sent you, the Rite Connection sent you over to their channel. Now let's get into the video. All right, y'all, I have a box here from Amazon. I'm going to open with you guys. I want you guys to see what all I purchased from Amazon. It's not much, but it's a little small haul that I got from Amazon, and I want to share with you guys what I got. Y'all see me? All right, but this is what I want to show you guys that I got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, first, let me slide this down. Hold on. Okay, first I got a cutting board safety mat. Y'all see it? I got that because when I cut apples or oranges or anything like that up, hope you guys can see me. When I cut anything like that up, it's always sliding. And so I purchased this cutting board safety mat right there. Let me take it out the plastic so you can see what I do with my knife, my scissors, I mean. But yeah. So, I can get it out. Really stuck. Hold on, guys. All right, y'all was somewhat leaning to the side, so I had to straighten y'all up. But anyway, this is what I got right here. Let me show you. Got this from Amazon. It seems like it's real sturdy whenever I get ready to cut something. Hold on, my sliding board. See my sliding board right here, or my cutting board rather. When I get ready to cut something, oh yeah, it's good. It don't even move, y'all. So I'm trying it out now. Perfect. So that is one thing that I got. So let me just set that to the side, and I'm gonna put that in my drawer so I have that. And the next thing I got, let me show you. I got this mount right here. It's a mini mount, and it's action sports ready. It has 2 points of adjustment. It's for the perfect angle, cameras and camcorders, and it's like a 4-pound thing here. I'm gonna try to put this in my car. That way, whenever I get ready to, you know, do something in the car, like if I want to talk to you guys in my car, I'll have this here, and I won't have to hold my camera in my hand while driving, because that is dangerous. So yeah, so that's why I got this, and I want to open it. All right, y'all, I opened it up, and it comes with the instructions on how to install it and everything. And then it came with this little thingy right here. Let me do my little YouTube thing here. That way y'all can see. And then I don't know what this is. Again, I'm gonna have to read the directions on there, but it's like it has a what you call a suction cap on it. So I'm gonna try this out and see how that works in the car. And then the last thing I picked up was, let me show you guys. Hold on. My pantry, it is, you know, we have cereal boxes that I get from Sam's Club, and y'all, it's just too much. The boxes is taking up too much space in the pantry, so I needed something to kind of get it organized. So I bought these little cereal boxes here. So yeah, I purchased these. Let me open it up where you can see how they look. Let's see. And before I put my cereal in here, I will be washing these out before I put any cereal in here. But yeah, so this is how they look. And it came 6 in a pack. And then it came with the little lids on here. And whenever I get the cereal out, I can just lift, and depending on how much I want to come out, I can just lift that up right here if I want a lot of it out of it. So yeah. And then it's resealable. Let's see, let's put it on here. think that's how you do it. Or maybe not. All right, y'all. This is my pantry here. Everything is pretty much organized how I want it to be, except for this cereal, which this right here is my husband. He loves Nutty Buddies, so I might can get like a little container for this. I can go to the Dollar Tree or Dollar General store and get something to place this in. And but first I'm just gonna start off with these little cereal boxes here, the Frosted Flakes and the Fruity Pebbles and all that good stuff. So yeah, I need to really get that in one of those containers. And I also got a coffee station coming in. I call it my coffee station. I ordered that from Amazon, so maybe it'll be in tomorrow or either Monday, because we're getting too much stuff on our counter over there, and I want to kind of make space for that. So I ordered a little, I call it my little coffee station, where I can put my husband coffee and everything on there. But anyway, let's get into this video again, and let me show you how I'm going to organize all of these cereal boxes. All right, y'all, I have got my cereal containers washed. As you can see right here, they are washed. So let's open up this box. Okay, now these are the Frosted Flakes. Let's see how much we can get in there. This is just one bag, so let's see how much we can get in there. Oops. Whew, I am making a mess, y'all. Okay, so it almost fit the whole thing, almost, not quite. But what all I don't use, I will be putting it in my other cereal container box and just flap the sides just like that. And it has a tight seal. So let me go ahead and finish up putting them all together. Hey, and I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and put all of them off of camera. And right here, I'm going to label it so we will know what it is. Like, all right, got the Cheez-Its. And so I'm just writing it on there. And I'm going to label it. Put it on there just like that. Right here, this is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So let me go ahead and put that on there. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Let's see if I can get it off of there. Maybe I should write it on here first before I take it off. So let me do that. Let's do Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I guess I'm supposed to let this little thing, this right here, I guess it dries or whatever. I don't know. But yeah. But this is super cute and it's organizable. You know, it's just easy for us to know what's gonna, you know, what's what. And this right here, these cereal right here is my favorite. Frosted Flakes. Oops. And I'm gonna put it on there just like that. Let me get one more out. If I can get it out. There you go. I'm gonna do Frosted Flakes. I have an extra one because I ended up putting the rest of the cereal that was left over. I ended up putting the rest of the cereal that was left over in these right here. So yeah, so this is my baby girl. She loved these right here. And these are my Frosted Flakes. Then, like I showing you now, the rest of them I end up putting right here. Now, let's go ahead and put them in the cabinet. Oh my gosh, y'all, that fits so perfect. Look, guys. Ain't this perfect? But it's only 6 of them that's in here for right now. And it's so much easy and organized in here down at the bottom. So I probably will do the same whenever I get some more of these containers in. But yes, I am so happy, y'all. This looks so good. Y'all, it looks so organized. I'm super, super happy. Perfect. But yeah, since I got that over with, y'all, it's too close to me. Like, give me 50 feet, please. But anyway, let me go ahead. Let me show you my outfit of the day. And then I'm going out to Yamato. It's like a Japanese restaurant. Just doing a little solo date by myself because my husband is at work. My kids are in school. And I'm hungry because I haven't cooked no breakfast for today. So I'm just gonna go out and go to Yamato's and get me some Japanese food. But before I go, again, let me show you my outfit of the day. Alright, y'all, I am in the car right now. Obviously, as you can tell, I do not have my mount put up yet in the car because I'm gonna have to read the directions and everything before I can actually put it up there. But I am super, super hungry, so I want to go ahead and get me something to eat because, you know, like I said in the beginning of the vlog, today is Friday. You know, on Fridays I pick up my daughter from school. So yeah. So I will see you guys when I get to Yamato. Alright, y'all. I just made it to Yamato. I'm fixing to get me something to eat. But first, I got to do these lips. These lips is like dry. I need some more lip balm. But anyway, let me get situated before I go in. I need my phone. Everything else. I'll tell you what, let me put this in my purse. All right, y'all, let's go. Yamato is to eat. I'm all by myself. I wish my husband was with me. but he's at work. So yeah. I bet they think I'm crazy. I'm talking to myself. Actually, I'm talking to you all because you're my family. I'll be back once my food comes. So what are y'all doing today? I have not been doing a thing today, so just chilling at the house. The weather is nice. So yeah.
Away, I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you. To you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you. To you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. To you, come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you.
All right, y'all. I am so stuffed. Let me take my mask off where y'all can hear me. Y'all, I am so stuffed, y'all. I am so full. Y'all saw what I had, and it was just enough for me, myself, for lunch, because I did not need a whole lot. And I am so full. But let me put my stuff back up. In my purse, my debit card, because I definitely do not want to lose that. Don't want to lose it. But let me see. Let me find my sanitizer so I can sanitize my hand. I love this eucalyptus tea. I got that from Bath and Body Works. Smells so good. Oh me, let me see. What did I just do? Okay. But oh yeah, y'all, I don't know how you pronounce this, but this is some good lotion. I got this from, where did I get this from? At the mall. I forgot, but if I remember what it is, I'll link it down, or either I'll have it going across the screen because I cannot remember where I got it from. But anyway, it smells so good. I got it at the mall. It leaves you just, ooh, it smells good. So refreshing, it smells so good. But I am about to go home because it is, what time is it? Where my phone at? Hold on, y'all, I'll get situated in a minute if I can find my phone. What did I do with my phone? Right here. I guess if it had been a snake, it would have bit me. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm fixing to go home. It is 11:41, and I'm going to end the vlog right here. I don't know how much footage I got, but I think I got a pretty good amount of footage for you guys to watch. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog with me, me unboxing my stuff from Amazon that I got, and then putting the stuff up in the cereal containers and all that good stuff. And then I really enjoyed you guys coming along with me to Yamato to eat lunch with me. Y'all my girls, now y'all know we got to do this again, okay? But yeah, but anyway, I am fixing to go because I'm soon finna have to go and do laundry and all that good stuff. You know how it is being a mother and stuff. But I love you guys so much, so much. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Rite Connection. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met.